So we are finally home. I am editing a video right now, which is supposed to come out tomorrow. So hopefully it's good. You will see. If not, then I'm going to probably record it today and upload it tomorrow. Or yeah, or like today still, but like it is going to come out tomorrow. So yeah, and also I've got something else to show you. This is what I've made when we were on the cottage, and I think it's pretty cute. So if you want to buy it, you can. I have it on my Instagram, which is here. So yeah, if you want to support my art, aka this, then go check it out, go follow it, and if you want to, you can buy some, because that would be great. So I did, oh my god, I forgot. I finished my video. Anyway, I did a mask, and apparently it didn't really like my skin, and now I have like redness all over my face, which isn't nice, but what can we do? So yeah, I'm going to shower now, because first of all I have to shower, and second of all I have this oil in my hair and I have to clean that out, so I have to put that out of my hair. So this is how my hair looks now. I wanted to straighten it because I wanted to see how long it is, and it is quite long. Like normally it would be like this, and now you just added a few centimeters because it's not curly, which I like. I mean, I like it a lot. I might keep straightening it because it is nice, and I always add the heat protectant, so I don't think it's that bad for my hair. Like obviously it's not ideal, but I feel really good. So, and it's not that chaotic. Like I can just go through my head and just, it's all smooth and all in place, and I just like it a lot. So yeah, right now I'm just going to do my skincare and journal, or read a book, or maybe watch something. Probably not that. And the reaction from my face went away quite, like not fully, but mostly it's gone, so that's positive. Hello, good morning. It's Monday today and I'm all ready, and I will be going to school now in like 2 minutes. And I wanted to wake up at like 5 a.m. today. I quite didn't do it. So I changed my mind, and I will be waking up at 6 a.m. because 5 a.m. is like unnecessary. Like I will do all the stuff that I want to do even at 6 a.m. So it's unnecessary, and it's going to make me tired, and I don't want that. And I had the best sleep today, but I didn't wake up even at 6. I woke up at like 7 something. It's okay, it's fine. So now I'm going to school, and I will take you with me because that's so exciting, isn't it? Going to school, wow. Ooh, I want to see that, so let's go. And my brows are browing, like look at them. They're snatched, they're thin, and that's what I like, so. Hello and welcome to today's vlog. I just want to show you guys that not always you are going to be feeling so good and motivated and confident and swinging and I really haven't been feeling good. Or like not really, but like kind of. Like yesterday it wasn't swaying. No, yesterday was actually okay. Afternoon. Like yesterday's afternoon was great, but before that it got kind of, it wasn't very nice. So because of math, okay? I was crying because of math, like, huh? Anyway, that's fine. Today I haven't been feeling the best also because yesterday, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling that confident or anything, so I worked out. I just had a smoothie and I will show you how I get out of that negative energy and thoughts, because I think it's really important to be able to control them a little bit more, because sometimes it can feel like these thoughts control you more than how you control them. So yeah, it is Saturday and I'm going to tell you what I did this morning. So I did some math because I needed to study it a little bit and learn some stuff and do some work in math, so that was great. It wasn't that bad. It's not my favorite activity, but we had it done okay, so that was fun. Not well, kind um then I worked out, basically did some pilates for 30 minutes, and then I made a smoothie, which is so not good. Yeah, I mean it's not that bad, but it's just not good. I don't like it. And I'm going to shower now because it's very much needed. And then I don't know what to do. I wanted maybe to get some. So I just showered. I'm nice and clean. I did some moisturizing and I feel really nice. I will let my hair air dry because I'm not going to sleep right now. Like usually when I go to bed with wet hair, I try to like dry them out, but I am not, so I'm just gonna leave them like this because it's nice and refreshing, because it's kind of hot today. I don't know how many Celsius it is, but it is a lot. Like it is kind of feeling like summer, which I don't know if it's a positive thing or not. Like I don't know, but like I know it was Friday or Thursday. On Thursday or maybe Friday, I don't know, one of those days I was going home from school and it really felt like summer. Like everybody was outside, everybody was screaming and just hanging out, and I was just like, I don't know if I want summer, like, you know, but it's good. I'm going to Italy this summer, which will be fun, and I hope I will not get the egg that I usually get, or like that I got on that day, because it was bad. I was like disgusted by summer. It felt like summer again, and I don't know if it was because of my headspace that I had last summer or the summer before, whatever, or if I just don't like summer. I don't know. I will try to work on that though, because I want to enjoy summer a lot and not be sad about the fact that it's summer, you know? I also have to tell you what I found out just now. Okay, I was ordering my matcha because I wanted to be doing my matcha at home because I fell in love with matcha because I had it like the other week or whatever, and I was like, oh my god, I need matcha. Okay, it was all an illusion. And let me tell you why. So there is caffeine in matcha, and I didn't know that. I thought that doesn't happen. Like, I don't know why. I didn't know that caffeine was in matcha, okay? And I made a decision that I will not drink any coffee. First of all, it doesn't taste good. I don't like coffee. Maybe I would like it if I would try to like it or like make it a certain way that I like it. But I do not want to because I don't want to be addicted to caffeine. So no coffee is for me. Okay, that's my first like rule in life. I don't drink alcohol, I don't smoke, I don't drink coffee or anything that I can be addicted to because I had enough, okay? I had enough. And then after I ordered matcha, I googled, is caffeine in matcha? And yes, it is. So that just explains my whole week because I was so tired this whole week because before that week I had matcha, okay? And I think that I was so tired the whole week because I got matcha that one day and I felt really energized and kind of wanted more this whole week, and I was also tired. So I think that explains why I was tired and why I liked matcha even though I didn't really like the taste.